everyone, this is Aimee and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do me a favor by clicking the subscribe button down there and hit the notification bell beside it so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. For today's video, I will be sharing to you on how to DIY a gel nail polish at home. So, without further ado, let's get started! I am so excited for today's video because I will be sharing to you yung isa sa pinaka na-enjoy kong gawin and sobrang nagpapasaya sa puso ko. Gusto nyo yun? Pero OA na kung OA. Pero kasi every time I am doing my nails, parang it's a sort of stress reliever for me. Before this pandemic came, sobrang consistent talaga ako sa pag-maintain ng nails ko. Hindi talaga ako nakokontento na one color or plain lang siya. I am thinking of different art or designs for my nails. Siguro, mag-i-insert na lang ako ng clip dito ng mga previous nail art or designs ko. Hindi kasi siya parang simpleng nail polish lang. For me, it's my way of expressing my personality through my nails. Way back, nagpapagawa talaga ako ng nails ko sa mga nail salon. Pero, I realized later on na hindi siya practical and magastos siya. So, that's why, nag-aral ako mag-nail polish on my own. And, since hilig ko siya, madali ko naman siyang natutunan. So, again, for today's video, I am sharing with you on how I am doing my gel nail polish. Guys, nalinis ko na yung nails ko ha. So, ang ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo is kung paano ko i-apply yung gel nail polish. So, disclaimer lang guys ha, sobrang tsaka ng kamay ko. Ayan, kung makikita nyo oh, sobrang maugat. Sorry, kasi lahi namin yan, yung mauugat yung mga kamay. Plus, nadagdagan pa na sobrang dry niya kasi kaka-alcohol na dry na siya. And feeling ko numipis na yung balat ko sa kamay. For our DIY gel nail polish, we will be needing the following: nail buffer, UV Led Nail Dryer, base and top coat, colored gel nail polish, nail glue, and rhinestones. I have here a nail buffer. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. So, ito yung gagamitin natin para ma-ensure na smooth yung nails natin before applying a gel nail polish. So, yung next step natin is maglalagay tayo nitong gel polish base coat. So, ayan siya guys. So, maglalagay lang tayo nito sa nails natin. Then, afterwards is lulutuin natin siya using a UV LED light nail dryer. So, ito yung sa akin. Cute siya guys kasi color pink siya and sobrang liit lang niya. So, very handy. If ever gusto nyo siyang outdoors, pwede din siya. And yung isang nagustuhan ko dito is meron siyang kasamang USB cord. So, pwede nyo siyang paganahin using a power bank. Majority of my gel nail polish kit is binili ko lang sa Shopee. So, if you want, I can put the link down in the description box para meron kayong reference just in case gusto ninyong mamili. Apply a base coat on your nails. Cure your gel polish using the nail dryer. Apply a colored gel nail polish. Cure it using a nail dryer. apply second coat of your colored gel polish. Cure it again using the nail dryer. Apply the accent gold glittered gel polish. Cure it using the nail dryer. So, update lang. Ito na yung look ng aking nails ngayon. So, yung ginamit kong colored gel polish is this one. So, it's in the shade Chameleon. And yung accent color na ginamit ko, which is this one, is yung Shiny Diamond Gel. This is color gold. Yan. So, ngayon, maglalagay ako ng rhinestones sa aking nails. Using the nail glue, you can put rhinestones for additional art on your nails. Apply gel nail polish top coat to seal your nails. Cure it with nail dryer. Apply another layer of top coat. Cure it with the nail dryer. So, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and please do subscribe to my channel. Until our next video, bye!